Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Office. Is your Bluetooth suddenly not working? And when open your device manager, you will see a yellow warning triangle with the error this device cannot start. That is code 10. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix these problems using 3 simple steps. Let's go started. Method 1. Bluetooth support service. First, let me make sure the Windows Bluetooth background services is actually running. Go to the Windows search bar, type services. You will see the service app appear in the gear icon. Click on it to open it. Now you will see a big list of services. Scroll down until Bluetooth support services. Here this. Once you find Bluetooth services, right click on it and select properties. Look at the startup type option in the middle of the window. Click the drop down menu and change it to automatic. Then when service status is running, click on stop. Here when the Bluetooth support service stop, these other services will also stop in the message appear. Click to yes, wait a second, then again service status to hit the start button, wait a second, then click apply and then OK. Close the window and check if Bluetooth works. Method 2. Windows troubleshooter. Let's Windows find the glitch automatically. Right click on your start button and click on settings. On the left sidebar, make sure you are on system. Now scroll down the right side, click on troubleshoot. Next, click on others troubleshooters. Look down the until you see Bluetooth. Click on the run button. Windows will show scan your hardware and automatically try to repair the code 10 error. Just wait to finish. Follow on screen promote and restart your computer. Method 3. Clean driver reinstall. If the error is still here, we need to completely refresh Bluetooth driver. Right click on your start button and click on device manager. Look for Bluetooth at the very top of the list. Click on small arrow next to open expanded. Now find your main Bluetooth adapter. It is usually says Intel wireless Bluetooth, Realtek or generic Bluetooth adapter. It will also have a small yellow triangle icon on it. Right click on that adapter and select uninstall devices. A small warning pop-up will appear. Do not check the box that talks about removing the driver software. Simply click the uninstall blue button. Your Bluetooth category might completely disappear from the list. Don't worry, that is supposed to happen. Go to the very top of the device manager, click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Windows will scan your PC and immediately reinstall a clean, fresh copy of your Bluetooth driver. The yellow triangle should now be gone. Close the all window. Go ahead and restart your computer one final time and your Bluetooth device will connect perfectly. Quick fixes saved your day. Please hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know it worked and subscribe to Fix Office for more easy tech solutions. See you in the next video. Bye bye.